I'll be giving you a full overview of the Klaviyo email marketing platform for Shopify stores. Now, I've done other videos as well going into detail for things such as flows or campaign management, so make sure you check those out as well. If you haven't yet, you should install the Klaviyo email marketing app. There is a completely free version and it's available on the Shopify App Store, and this will let you follow along. So to access Klaviyo, let's go to our Shopify dashboard. We'll go to our apps on the left-hand side here and we'll open up the Klaviyo app. This will open up the application already signed in as we open it up from our Shopify store. So let's go to the home page and we can give you a complete overview here. So the home section is just going to give you a summary of different analytics. You see the conversion metric is going to be placed orders. It's going to give us the total revenue and attributed revenue over the last 30 days. You can also click to view the overview dashboard to get a more detailed view, as well as adding different analytics. You can see different performances by different campaigns. This will let you judge the success of using Klaviyo and your email marketing efforts. You're also going to get summary metrics on the top performing flows. So if we click into flows, I'll just go for a quick overview here. And a flow are going to be automatic sets of steps taken in a particular order when an action is initiated or a trigger is initiated. So if we click into abandoned cart here, we can see when someone started the checkout, it's going to go through this automated sequence with different time delays and different emails being sent. I'll dive deeper into that in a second, but let's go into the campaigns first to get an overview there. So I'll click on campaigns in the left-hand side. You can see our existing campaigns in a list view. So what campaigns are, is going to be scheduled email blasts to send to different lists. If we go to create campaign, we save a draft. We can then go and select the list. So if we click into this here, we are then able to send it to a customized list. Maybe you want to send it to people who are part of your newsletter, who are churning, who are repeat buyers, purchases. You can basically set up any customized list to send a campaign out to. So you can then schedule the campaign to send now or on a particular date, but this can help blast your audience for certain reasons, such as maybe you're running a spring sale or a Black Friday sale, maybe you released a new product. Anything along those lines where you're trying to alert a certain subsection of your customers or all your customers overall. This can be great for re-engaging them at any point in time. So let's move into flows. This will be the next main section for Klaviyo. You'll have your campaigns and your flows. Flows, as mentioned previously, are automated sequences. And so you can really set this up for a whole bunch of different options. If we go to create flow, we can see different goals and different templates. So if we view all these flows here, this will give us some really good examples of what you can create. They're all going to integrate seamlessly with Shopify. It's going to initiate these triggers automatically. So there's no complicated setup on your end. So you can do things for different abandonment options. You can see high cart versus low value, domestic versus international. The most basic one there would be abandoned cart email flow. So a customer has started the checkout sequence by adding something to their cart. You can then email them if they did not complete their purchase to remind them to come back to their cart and finish it. This is a great way to prevent lost sales. It's something that every Shopify store should immediately set up when starting things out. You can also do things to nurture subscribers. We can see customers versus non-customers. You can see flows for building in loyalty. You can see new versus returning customers. So maybe a customer has purchased from you multiple times. You can set up a flow to thank them again, maybe offer them more discounts or exclusive product. I want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations on how profitable your store actually is. It's going to allow you to make smarter business decisions, as you're going to have tons of different detailed analytics. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, including Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Pinterest, TikTok, and Bing. There's a link in the description below. To access the Shopify app listing, you can also search for ProfitCalc in the App Store and look for the logo in the top left here, both of which will get you access to the 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. You can see there are also flows for review requests. Maybe 2 weeks after an order has been fulfilled, you can send a review request to see if the customer enjoyed the product. You can also create your own flows based on the objective you're trying to see. So if we go back to flows here and we go into abandoned cart, this is the common flow we were talking about. We can see the trigger is going to be checkout started. You can add different time delays. So 30 minutes, send your first email. Wait 12 hours, send your second email. Wait an additional 24 hours, send your third email. You can basically make this as long as you want, adding different conditional logic along the way. These flows allow for a lot of customizability, and they are great because they're going to be sent out automatically, so you don't have to manually email customers to remind them to purchase a product. Another great example would be a customer win-back campaign. So let's say 60, 90 days after a customer has purchased something, you can set up a float to send them an automated email reminding them about your store, maybe give them a discount code, and and encourage them to come back, as it is so much cheaper to reacquire an existing customer than to acquire a brand new one. The next section is going to be sign up forms, and these are going to allow you to collect emails. You can also integrate Klaviyo with quite a few different email collection apps. These are essentially going to be pop-ups. You're going to either exchange a coupon, free shipping, or just ask them to sign up for your newsletter so you can contact them on a later basis. These are necessary to start building up your email subscriber list. Next will be audiences. From here, you can create different customized lists and segments you can then target for different email campaigns. In terms of content, you can have your templates, products, images, and coupons. So you can create templates to reuse rather than having to rebuild emails each time. And for your products, this allows you to manage different product feeds connected from your Shopify store. We move on to analytics. This allows you to create customized dashboards so you can easily see what's going on in your Klaviyo account. You can understand what's doing well, maybe what emails are causing a lot of purchases, so you can take that knowledge and apply it to the rest of your campaigns. You're also going to get different benchmarks and metrics, and you can also even create your own custom reports. There's also a conversations tab, so you can integrate Klaviyo with SMS. You can create one-to-one texting, and according to Klaviyo, 72% of customers are more likely to purchase if they can communicate with the brand in real time. So overall, quite a few different things to set up. I'd say after your settings and your lists are created, most of your time will probably be spent creating flows and sending email campaigns. Hopefully this gave you a good overview of Klaviyo email marketing. This app has been around for quite a while and is extremely popular with plenty of e-commerce merchants. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I'll mention Profit Calc one more time, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left here, both of which get you access to a 15-day free trial.